Hello everyone. In today's class, I am going to teach you about trial balance. See, in the accounting process, the first step is to identify the financial transactions. And once identified, we record them in the journal, right? And after that, what we will do? We post these entries to the ledger, where transactions are classified into different accounts. Okay, once all the transactions are recorded in the ledger, we move to the next step, that is preparing the trial balance. Okay, so the trial balance, it helps us check the mathematical accuracy of our records before proceeding to other adjustments and financial statements. So let's dive deeper into its purpose, format, and how to prepare it. In the accounting process, the first step is identifying the financial transactions, and after that we need to record in the journal, and after that we need to post into the ledger. We need to post these entries to the ledger where transactions are classified into different accounts. After that we will prepare the trial balance. Okay, so trial balance, it is a statement. So trial balance is a statement that lists all the ledger accounts. Okay, so trial balance is a statement that lists all the ledger account balances. Ledger account balances at a specific date. And it helps check if the total debits equals the total credits. It helps check if the total debits equals the total credits, ensuring that the books are mathematically correct before moving to financial statements. Means what? Here all the ledger account balances, means it lists all the ledger account balances at a specific date, and it helps check if the total debits equals the total credits. Means in the earlier chapters you have learned about the basic principles of accounting, that for every debit there will be an equal credit. For every debit there will be an equal credit. Okay, so ensuring that the books are mathematically correct before moving to financial statements. So trial balance, it is nothing but it is a tool for verifying the correctness of debit and credit amounts. Debit and credit amounts. We will prepare it after post into the ledger. Okay, first we will identify the financial transactions, and after that we will record in the journal and we post these entries to the ledger. After that we will prepare the trial balance. So trial balance, it is nothing but list ledger balances, and after that we have to ensure debit equals to credit. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Let's take an example here. Let's say you record the transactions throughout the month. Like cash received, expenses paid, revenue earned, and so on. So at the end of the period, you need to verify if everything adds up correctly. So that's where the trial balance comes in. Fine. Now next we will see the format of a trial balance. Here account title or account name, it means what? It lists all the ledger accounts, and ledger folio. Debit balance means shows amounts that have a debit balance. Next one, credit balance, it shows amounts that have a credit balance. Fine. Okay, this is the format of trial balance. Now when we have to prepare the trial balance, so it is normally prepared at the end of an accounting year. But however, an organization may prepare a trial balance at the end of any chosen period, which may be depending upon its requirements, like monthly or quarterly, half yearly, or annually. Okay, so next we will see why is the trial balance is important. Why is the trial balance is important? Why do we prepare a trial balance? We prepare the trial balance for error detection. It means what? It helps to identify the mathematical errors in the ledger postings. Helps to identify the mathematical errors in the ledger postings. And second one is financial statement preparation. Means it serves as a basis. It is the basis for preparing the financial statements. Okay, after preparing the trial balance only, we have to prepare the financial statements. Third one is accuracy check. It means what? Ensures that debits and credits, they are equal before moving forward. Okay, that debits and credits are equal before moving forward. Okay, so these are the importance of trial balance, that is error detection, financial statement preparation and accuracy check. Next one is common errors in a trial balance. What are the common errors in a See here, what are the common errors in a trial balance? See, remember, even if your trial balance matches, errors can still exist. Even if your trial balance matches, errors can still exist. Okay, here are some common mistakes. They are omitting a transaction, transactions. It means what? If a transaction is not recorded, it won't appear in the trial balance. Transaction that is not recorded, it won't appear in the trial balance. That is the first common error. Second one is double posting. Double posting means entering the same transaction twice. Entering the same transaction twice can misrepresent the balances. It can misrepresent the balances. This is double posting. Next one, reversal of entries. It means if you debit instead of credit, or if you credit instead of debit, the trial balance will still balance, but it will be incorrect. Okay, reversal of entries means if you debit instead of credit, or if you credit instead of debit, the trial balance, it will show the balances, but it will be incorrect. Okay, so next one, how to prepare a trial balance. What are the steps for preparing the trial balance? In that, first one is ascertain the balances of each account in the ledger, because before preparing the trial balance, we need ledger accounts. So we need to ascertain the balances of each account in the ledger. And second step is list all accounts under debit or credit. List all accounts under debit or credit. It means what? List each account and place its balances in the debit or credit column. List each account and place its balances in the debit or credit column. And third step is totaling of both columns. And fourth one is check if debit equals to credit. Check if debit equals to credit. Okay, so these are the steps we have to consider when preparing a trial balance. Okay, this is about trial balance. I hope this concept is clear to you all. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you.